Constant velocity is an object that travels the same distance every second. Velocity is a vector, so magnitude and direction matter. The unit of velocity is meters per second. The dog walks 1.25 miles in 8 minutes and 17 seconds. He is moving at a constant velocity of 4.05 meters per second north.
High five if you're Norbert. You missed. High five for dinner. High five for love. High five for awesomeness.
Precision has two different definitions. In this case, precision means how close measured values are to one another. Accuracy is how close a measured value is to the true value of the quantity measured. In the beginning of the video clip, the dog is precise but not accurate because he doesn't touch the hand but hits the air at the same spot. At the end, the dog is both precise and accurate because he hits at the same spot and touches the hand.
Let the boys take you. Oh no, oh my God. Ah!
Acceleration is the constant rate which velocity is changing over time. Acceleration is speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction. Acceleration is a vector, so magnitude and direction matter. The unit of acceleration is meters per second squared. The cat's change in velocity is negative 6.67 feet per second, and the cat reaches the ground in 4.5 seconds. The cat falls down at a rate of negative 0.45 meters per second squared.
Down, kitty, here you go.
Projectile motion is an object that is thrown or launched into the air. The path taken by the object is called its trajectory, making a parabolic shape. There is an independence of motion in two dimensions, horizontal and vertical motion, for every projectile. The cat is launched into the air when the guy falls on the beanbag. Newton's first law states that an object in motion continues in motion, or an object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. It is also known as the law of inertia. The dog would continue to walk in a straight line if he had not hit the glass door. Newton's second law states that acceleration produced by a net force on an object is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force, is in the same direction as the net force, and is inversely proportional to the mass of an object. In other words, F net equals m times a. Because the horse can produce more force, it can accelerate more while moving the rock than the human could. Newton's third law states that wherever one object exerts a force on another object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first object. One force is the action force, while the other force is the reaction force. The marbles that the cat pushed each hit one another with the same amount of force. Mass is a measure of inertia, which is the resistance to change in motion. Mass is also the amount of matter an object has. The mass never changes despite the location. It does not depend on volume, and it is not the same as weight. Weight is the gravitational pull of mass, and it is a force, Fg, and changes based on gravity. The mass for both guinea pigs do not change, but the weight of the guinea pig on Earth would be greater than the guinea pig in space because the force of gravity on the planet is greater.